If you're thinking about purchasing ABC Trainerize, you're probably wondering if it's the right fit for your business. Today, we're diving into 7 key things you need to know before you make that decision, especially if you're comparing it to other fitness business software options. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to get the best deal and exclusive benefits when you try it out. First up, the user experience. ABC Trainerize is known for being user-friendly, but that's something you'll want to verify yourself. If you've used other platforms like Trainerize or My PT Hub, you may notice that ABC Trainerize stands out with its clean interface and intuitive design. Even beginners can quickly get a hang of it, making it ideal for trainers who aren't tech savvy. Next, let's talk about customization. One of the standout features of ABC Trainerize is how much you can personalize it. Unlike other competitors, where you're often stuck with rigid templates, this platform allows you to tailor your programs, workout plans, and client communication. This flexibility means you can build the perfect experience for each client rather than offering a one-size-fits-all service. So if you're looking for a more customized approach, ABC Trainerize shines in this area. The third thing you need to know is automation. With ABC Trainerize, you're not just managing workouts, you're managing an entire client experience. You can automate follow-up messages, set reminders for clients, and create recurring sessions, freeing up your time while ensuring no client slips through the cracks. If you're familiar with platforms like Mindbody or Trainerize, you'll appreciate this level of automation that allows you to scale your business while reducing manual work. Next, let's talk about integrations. ABC Trainerize offers a solid range of integrations, but it's worth noting that its competitors, such as My PT Hub or Virtua Gym, may have more third-party options available. While ABC Trainerize covers the basics, like integrating with payment systems and some CRM tools, if you're running a large business with complex needs, you might hit a wall when it comes to advanced integrations. Still, for most trainers and smaller businesses, it does the job effectively. The fifth thing you should know is pricing. While ABC Trainerize isn't the cheapest option out there, it's priced competitively for the features it offers. If you've looked at alternatives like Trainerize, you might find the cost of ABC Trainerize to be on par with those tools, but with more flexibility in how you set up your programs. That said, if you're just starting out or have a very limited budget, it might be worth considering whether the extra features justify the investment. Next, let's dive into support. This is often overlooked when choosing software, but ABC Trainerize excels here. Their customer service is responsive, and you get access to a dedicated account manager for setup. If you've tried other platforms and been stuck with generic support, this personalized approach can make a huge difference in getting your business up and running quickly. And lastly, reporting and analytics. If you've used tools like Trainerize or other fitness business software, you know how crucial it is to have detailed reports on client progress and business metrics. ABC Trainerize gives you solid analytics, but compared to some competitors, it can be a little more basic in terms of customization. However, for most trainers, it offers everything you need to track your client's progress and run your business efficiently. So, should you buy ABC Trainerize? If you're looking for a flexible, user-friendly platform with automation features and excellent customer support, it's definitely worth considering. It may not have as many integrations as some competitors, but for most trainers, it strikes the right balance of price, features, and ease of use. If you're ready to give ABC Trainerize a shot, be sure to click the first link in the description below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out on the chance to level up your fitness business with this powerful software.